Masarap na pastry sa cafe na ito sa Bukawi na discover ko. Tara, yung mga kanusan nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad sa FACJ Building, Bunlo, Bukawi, Bulacan para mag-food trip sa Lazy Latte Cafe. Yes, meron silang air-conditioned dining setup. At syempre, pastries ang bida-bida for this video dahil si owner mismo ang gumagawa nito. I-try their banana bread na tirik mata talaga kada kagat at subo dito. Same as well with their bestseller na brewkies na pinagsamang brownie at cookies sa texture. You can also go with their carrot cake na simple at wholesome. Tapos may red velvet cake na intense at creamy. May cheesy at soft na cheese roll at goods na biscoff chiffon cake na may cute na lalagyan. And cookies meron din sila. For food naman, meron silang pork adobo rice and cheesy Hungarian for rice meals, poppers and fries for snacks, and biscoff overload croffle for a dessert. For drinks, syempre, meron silang sea salt latte and tiramisu latte for iced coffee. At for blended drinks, meron namang cookies and cream frap at biscoff frap na natry namin. Meron silang free wifi kaya pwede kayo mag-work or mag-aral dito. May parking area and this is their operating hours kung pupunta kayo. O napainintay nyo, tara na sa Lazy Latte sa Bukawi, Bulacan. Let's go!